Hello everyone, greetings from the University of Education, Greenriver. Our annual public lecture for the year is slated for 11th April 2025. The theme for this year's public lecture is Empowering Minds, Shaping Futures for 21st Century Education. The essence of education in the 21st century is to instill in students creativity, problem-solving skills, good communication skills, teamwork ability, and so on and so forth. For this reason, we have invited Professor Pierre O. Lumumba to speak on the topic. We therefore invite all our stakeholders, including our students, our lecturers, researchers, policymakers, to join us to make this occasion a success. Thank you very much.